In this video, I want to show you guys one of the must-have free and open source app for Windows. It is called UniGet UI. It's a graphical user interface to manage package managers. Yeah, it sounds confusing, but trust me, this thing is actually so useful. You can get it from the GitHub by going into releases and just get the installer, or you can get it from the Microsoft Store. So let's open it and let me show you guys why this thing is so useful. I don't know how many of you guys know about the WinGet. WinGet is a package manager for Windows from Microsoft, but there are many other package managers like Chocolatey, Scoop, and more. Okay, as we go through this video, I'll explain everything because it can be a little bit confusing for some users out there. Now, from a normal person's perspective, think of this as a app manager. Let's say you want to download a app for Windows. Let's say it is VLC. You can search that, and here you can just download the VLC. Now, one thing you need to pay attention here, there are way too many packages or apps, VLC. Which one should I get? You know, if you're a new person using it for the first time, what I recommend you guys to do is just go to settings and then go to package managers preferences. And from here, just turn off everything except WinGet and Chocolatey. So let's say I'm gonna turn off everything. Now I'm gonna only keep the WinGet and Chocolate here. Now I'm gonna go and search VLC again, and this time you'll see less VLCs because we removed most of the packages that we as a normal user don't need. Still, you need to check the source here. Okay, if you get this VLC, it's gonna download it from the Microsoft Store. If you get this one, this is gonna get downloaded from the WinGet, and you can also pay attention to the version, which version you're gonna get, and you also get the nightly build from the WinGet. Yeah, that's all you need to do to fix too many packages popping up if you're using this for the first time. Okay, let's say you wanna download VLC. I'm just gonna get it from the WinGet. That's much better than the Microsoft Store, but you can choose whichever you want. You can right click and install. If you want to install it as an administrator, you have that option. Okay, so I'm just gonna install it. I don't think we need admin permission to install this app, but some apps do require a admin permission. And you can also see the progress here at the bottom. Okay, you can also click on it to actually see what's happening in the background. So it's basically downloading the package and installing it. So it's already downloaded and it says the VLC player is installed. But if you know me, I don't actually use VLC player, I use something else. So I'm gonna uninstall it. Yes, you can also manage installed packages. Okay, you can search for VLC here, right click, uninstall, just like that. Yes, you can see all the apps that you have installed on your system, even if it's from Microsoft Store or you just got it from the official website. You can still also update them. So there is a software update section. You can go there, and here you'll see all the softwares that needs to be updated. So you can update them at once by clicking on update selections. And you also have the option to update them as administrator. Okay, some of the softwares require admin permission. So I'm just gonna do that, right click and update, and it's updating the Google Chrome right now. And you can also see the source where it's getting from. It's from the WinGet. Okay, again, you can also click on this to see what's actually happening in the background. Okay, so it's downloading the Chrome from this URL, and you can also see the progress bar for download, installation, and everything without clicking in here. And you know, I also use this software called Klite Codec Pack. You know, every time there is a new update, the software gives me a pop-up to update it. Okay, for that I have to click on that pop-up. It will take me to the website, and from there I have to download the full installer and install it manually, which takes some time. But with this, yeah, I can just go here, check for update, and update almost all the Windows apps that I have on my system. And it also gives you a notification at the top or wherever you set your notification. I customize it to appear at the top. So you can see update succeeded. So with this app, you can download apps on Windows, just search for it, and also manage your apps. You can uninstall them, update them, and all that. It's a package manager to manage other package managers that are usually used through the terminal. Okay, it's a graphical user interface for almost all the package managers that are available for Windows. For most people, WinGet will be enough. Okay, you don't have to enable all the packages unless if you use the packages from other sources, okay, like the Python or something. Now, if we go into settings here, you can change the settings. Okay, the most important one for most people will be package managers preferences. Again, as I said, this thing can manage almost all the package managers available for Windows. Okay, so again, for most people, WinGet will do, or maybe you can also enable the chocolatey. But to be honest, I actually don't use chocolatey. I only use the WinGet, so I have that enabled. I also use NMP. It's a Node.js package manager. Programmer will use it. PIP, Python library, okay? And I think that's all I use. For most people, just disable everything and only enable WinGet, and you'll be good, okay? Now you can just go to discovery page, and from here you can just search for the things that you're looking for. 7-zip, yeah, just search for it and get it. Again, make sure to check the source if all the package managers are enabled. If you have only WinGet enabled, yeah, just make sure you get the app where it says WinGet. And to update the softwares, you don't actually have to get the software from this app or WinGet or whatever package manager you use. Let's say I downloaded the VLC from their website. Okay, now I want to update it using it. It works. Okay, it just works. It will automatically recognize that and it will just use the WinGet to update that and you'll be good to go. Some apps may not get updates. Like for example, I have this Affinity app. It's not available in WinGet, so it can't be updated. But Affinity actually gives you a pop-up for update, so you can update it within that. And some maybe not that popular app won't get update. Now these days, most devs actually put their packages or apps in WinGet, so you'll get the updates. But yeah, there might be some apps that won't get updates. And for that, under sources, it will show local PC. That means the package, the app is not available in WinGet or Microsoft Store. But again, most apps will get updates. Those few apps are either not that popular and also don't get frequent updates, or they are super popular and all the future updates are managed by them in their own way. For example, I use DaVinci Resolve software to edit my videos. Yeah, I don't get the update for that software in WinGet or UniGet. I have to get the installer from the website. So there are only few apps that, again, don't get the update. So don't worry about it. Still, this app is wonderful. Okay, it's, I think, in my opinion, one of the must-have app on your Windows PC. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.